for no Saruman Tada na mo kambotimi aye. I mean minim so for na be a much for the problem. But as we say we to defend na mo consider good no. Em say eno ne the multiple question a. How your boss and na empo wa uti show no. Obetimi e de answer na ba na kenkan e de amount Kofi good morning. But you know what to say? What's away you know? Good morning. Abba. Good morning. But you know what to say?
Yeah, fine. Sounds on where?
Oh, no,
Okay.
Say Valentine is what starting here.
Okay, me ma starting here. I didn't hear Gaza.
Oh, a question. Me cars who you be and maybe like I'm asking say
But I
be fine.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Tonight I'll
say and you made in call the crash.
Yeah,
I'll call the crash bar.
Me personally I'll do something nice for my fiancée and
Oh yeah, sure. I'll be there. I'll be there.
Oh, the other to test senior man.
Say.
Would they be out of free? We are Robert Traze. Senior to warrior and I say, oh, wife. Ella. Hey. That's what dog go. With you. One permission. I make a story, no. Okay, story.
You be able to answer question behind. Oh, definitely. So obviously I'm calling that time. You bet you are calling that. So open is idea.
We may meet you now. That's we should go on. Anything you bet you now that's we
Dear, you man a day.
Okay, story now. Ubi me when you
know. Oba.
Never to you, Nigeria.
Is it Oba? Eti Kofi on a most was not yami adman you may.
Yeah, crash.
Called the crash bar. If I'm 7 p.m.
Yeah.
Na the Valentine no. The ashisha so body junction ya. Opposite Ken West SHS.
Yeah.
Opposite one and the crash bar. And Tientia. Free so bolo, free wine.
Yeah, solid.
Yeah, but live band, a piano bianzo.
Live band.
Top notch. Live band and never bore. And to be amra and no door from Mumra. Umetina na muntiedom na munyo don ka ho.
Mamenka how I got to know the crash. Uze Nancy na minya time mbo FIFA. Na me tabu FIFA pa na ebi wa me ko internet na mu so bi so nimbo na ma gini PSN na me ne abo online. Na me ti say your colleagues omo wuntumi. Ni ese fancy ni akumia ni mbo pa.
Okay.
And I'm so many young of what I did say game no nimbo but na fancy them so they be on na mention because no tie did but ya ma na me fra akumia.
Okay.
And I minya Messiah by na me so ba me fi na me ba we gamer. Emre da ho ne say o ba e say o de aduane ba aduane ni si nchen hashtag
who they don't provide aduane no
there be now ba
no
be use me esi use me FIFA use electricity me say mo aduane nka ho me show aduane hashtag munya me de yom.
Okay.
Inti akomia ba no de aduane nice well package be si ho ene sa de no is we go game I mean use Chelsea me Madrid na me use no so kofa ono so mpema United so be a team ni o kofa ban.
I see.
You trying to you know so business dey never no dey buy. No see aponche jollof.
Okay.
I'm say and then you aponche jollof. No see to the crash. Me see me trema lucky I know lucky. Now I'm so okay, on my tasty. Rich.
Super.
It's a brilliant meal. Since then me place me order no fee.
So also the kwan so.
Me kwan so. Me do one man na maji. If you want the best food, and one thing about the crash is say ambience near top.
Yeah.
Maybe I bet na I know me tell almost say omo your private place you book ahead of time. It's open up a private place now.
So go a private person.
Exactly.
Penny be.
Yeah.
And obi so okra nya penny pema didi.
Yeah.
And you say bi a obana aponche jollof no. private area.
Yeah.
Obetumi akoto no bia
Bia solid. Most of them juices no see fresh. Nti ene nwumre the crash here very.
And multimedia how na eba. Mo share nwumre 7 p.m.
Yeah.
Na yem fa dwumadi no.
Is also Barca wants to turn it around.
Yeah, almost remontada. They are turning the scoreline.
The fact that they are talking about turning it around, no chance they will not be able to turn it around.
Yeah, same thing I make say. Me Barca Atletico Madrid 4.
Yeah.
Easy for them to do.
Yeah.
But the biggest problem is how they will defend against this Atletico Madrid team. For the entire 90 minutes.
How to stop Atletico Madrid from
scoring.
Yeah.
For nation the Barca easily.
The fact that Barcelona are constantly talking about that, doesn't help. On one of Andy's stories about how some Barcelona players are sort of questioned Hansi Dieter Flick's style of play, which has down Eric's reward. And I've said it several times, the German direct play infused with the Spanish tiki-taka.
Okay.
So sometimes against smaller teams almost a low block now, almost press it's probably the best setup to play against them. But say over against team, on you brave to say wow. No, not so be press. No, very good ball retainers and then the cracks begin to come. Anything that I make catch say for Barcelona, say a far.
And
far 4-0, 3-0, 5-0, 6-0. It's on that level. And I'm sure they understand. You see, also, there are certain key elements of our system anymore. They make that system work. I'm sure so what to say about for fans because na Rafinha any honum, and that's part of the reasons why they couldn't go on and win the game. It's true. Yeah. Because Rafinha is the intensity generator with team. He's on a very athletic, very physical, he covers a lot of ground.
Can press the defense.
Yes, and so Ubo a front three of Robert Lewandowski, Lamine Yamal, and Rafinha. He is the one with a lot of energy to start a press for you up top. So then definitely say Rafinha anymore. It doesn't mean that Barca into me more without Rafinha. Sometimes it means that the intensity has to be generated from somewhere else. Again, the reason why it's important, and some people are mentioning Obi say Pedri Gonzalez DNA say, which say Pedri will feel if you want. It is him and Frankie. These are probably two of the best ball retainers and ball recyclers we are seeing. It's the time maybe let's come out there bank for bank. Pedri can hold on to the game one time. Now on the Frankie de Jong, to take the sting of Atletico's intensity and then wait till Barca recovers, then you can go again. But say, Emaya Casado any Frankie, Emaya Bernal any Frankie, it is not on that level. Yeah, Bernal is good, Frankie is top, but it's not on that level. So it means that one should anyone yes level of control in the game. The game becomes too up and down, and Barca will not be able to control it. Space is back. It means that Eric Garcia will have to defend large spaces. Kubasi will have to defend large spaces. Say, bow the nyakwa. I say quickly. Also, it means that he has to work about 2 or 3 times harder. It means that the combination play and Kabenya between Kunde and Lamine when he mono. Because Kunde has to be fixated defending. So those are the nitty-gritties of the match. And like you said,
but to me, this is my problem. So we a coach.
Yeah.
Now, Oko team, na players now, I'm the main architect. I'm going to park in the soccer ball.
Yeah.
Obo formation be game plan be no move say NC2 ma. We a coach, how do I want to give kakra?
See, these are reports. First of all, me not 200% sure if that is exactly what about. These are reports now the more. I've seen it. I think I saw it somewhere. I say. In fact, specifically, what they are saying is that almost per system, no. Yeah. But maybe more problems are in big games, the adding spaces, and again, not too sure if that's what the player said, and that is a genuine concern. Rich, maybe as if Flick will listen and tweak small.
Because a bit to Amorim,
yeah,
at Manchester United,
yeah,
players now do more system. Almost say coach. System no
but Barca this system Yasha Atletico in the last 5 matches. One of them from 3-1, 1-0, 4-2, 4-4, 2-1. Before now, they are beating them until the very first
now,
time.
almost when antidote to game plan.
Exactly. So again,
So tweak it, kakra. Tweak it, baby.
Until we get there, I think there isn't too much of a worry again because no one's saying the senior players no one. And I think Barca wants to beat me about. I don't want us to make it look like has a free problem system a problem. It's not a problem. It has given them a lot of success.
Okay.
But it is high risk, high reward. So I'm far, and this is where, and I can agree also with you. Say okay, then in game. I thought they'd be a tweak, sometimes sit off. Allow them to have the
game.
Yes.
Now, your game plan is the coin. And why?
Yeah.
I know what's no.
Exactly.
Change it.
Now,
a bit. It's a BB kakra.
Bit many results now.
Because man here, what's a coffee that be a catch us a Champions League fee.
Yeah.
Yama Barcelona in team general.
Yeah.
Ukushia big teams now. Bayern, Internum, PSG, money adeno. Kobo boss hala no. Easily,
they'll be able to come.
Simple.
Yeah, I think it has become a huge worry of Catalan Cromonum where most of them reporters and they are now worried about the Champions League because
Champions League.
Yeah,
Champions League team. And then say the Champions League in common. I say it me do count.
See it don't be count.
Maybe I'm informing count.
Or top 3 Champions League possible winners, but no part.
Informing count. In fact, Pau Kubasi moon defend say.
Really?
Oh, big teams.
Because you know Barca lose match and all of a sudden they're making it look like.
That's how in America.
No, but there isn't too much of a problem. It's sometimes maybe now let's go. It's just too good. Which story by in the course of the week. Finally, all the big clubs are now in the conversation for the UEFA Super League. And finally now come Madrid. Nasser Al-Khelaifi and UEFA, what they did in strategically convincing all of them to come back now. Madrid foreigners have gotten on the table. So okay, it was a call for Sika, money for the clubs, bigger games. And Florentino Perez, and especially Barcelona for Etna, of course, with other clubs, to sort of come together and form a UEFA Super League. Get more money and then move away from UEFA Champions League and then be Sika because of the system. Rich, responding to tough times is what really shows how a good leader is, or whether somebody is a good leader and that's when you're a good leader. Rich, I'm sure this was probably the most threatening time in UEFA's club history in terms of competitions. Rich, say before that time, me and I didn't come about the Champions League. We kept on saying that the Champions League is the biggest club competition in the world. And you don't even need to say it. You don't even have to say it. Now clubs na everyone never can say omo there. Omo person omo kokoti omo kobo omo UEFA Super League. Rich. Quickly, UEFA getting clubs like Chelsea, Man City, Liverpool near the English Premier League clubs now to stay that okay, oh there we to waseka krama here again was the first smart move. Because without them, you can't go on. Again, the Italian clubs. Rich, once they got there, and knowing that, okay, and then they have problems in the Champions League, then I go for weaker, I'm up piska. And then there's Kabeba, I see a bomb more bigger matches. I see a bomb more matches. So they say more matches, there are more broadcasts, and then quickly they change the format of the Champions League. And now, the final person was Florentino Perez. Nasser Al-Khelaifi go a press conference, so Florentino Adiatum, now the Super League is 100% off the table. And now you're back with a new Champions League format. Rich, Alexander Chefren, Nasser Al-Khelaifi, and everybody that's in charge of that decision have done a very good job. They've done a very, very good job. Very, very good job in that regard, in making sure that Ombetimia is in terms of how Omaba back. Now, Rich, in the Spanish La Liga, now you can say Barca possible in the Champions League. When you say in the Spanish La Liga, you have 1 point with the Dortmund between Barcelona and Real Madrid. Now this weekend, Madrid are playing against La Real, which is Real Sociedad. Once Barca are not playing this weekend because of Copa del Rey game on board on Thursday, whatever happens in that match, especially on Saturday, so Madrid 18 success no esha, they go straight on top of the Spanish La Liga.
So that's a on Monday.
Yes. So once they get to Monday, but once they score, And Makacho said there is something about team Obebo first, anyhow the pressure switches. Barcelona lost against Atletico Madrid. They would have to respond. Madrid for now coming from a place where 4 out of 4 under Alvaro Arbeloa, the games have been coming. They've been winning their matches. I'm expecting that at home against La Real, they will get a job done. Rich, the Vinicius Junior, Mbappe, Mastantuano, the boys that matter are back. The last time they didn't have Vinny, no many Mbappe, no many Jude Bellingham, no many Rodrigo Goes. Rodrigo is still out. Bellingham is still out. Vinny Abba, of course, coming to out to Abrante friend Mbappe. Now, me Padibia, Alvaro Arbeloa, AL Madrid team, which constantly making sure that he is profiling the players right. I said, wait, in the last few months, we've been saying consistently because it solves about 90% of problems. Mencon, Kobo, Federico Valverde at left back or right back when you have Trent and Carvajal. Mencon, Kobo, Eduardo Camavinga at left back when Alvaro Carreras is there. Play Camavinga in the middle. Play Chimeni. Don't play him as centre back when the United and Asensio are there. And they asked him in his pre-match press conference, this is Obey. Obey boy is in a natural position. Which, when they do as they've been doing, I think Madrid will go 5/5.
Okay.
Madrid will go 5/5 and they'll go on top of the Champions League. And that is going to be a very good one for them. This weekend, an English FA Cup now, which is Gidi and Shedden Premier League in
Nhyira fan.
Which Arsenal are the record holders of the English FA Cup. Now I've said several times that game against Man City in the final of the EFL Cup, I think psychologically to define Arsenal's season. And that's a huge one for them. But they have to play in the FA Cup also. And now, saying Andy Kane, 2 matches came on. I like the backstory of Hull. For the very first time, Liam Rossinia Ebbo was a player with Hull City. Now at Hull City, Obo in the final of the EFL Cup, final of the FA Cup with Hull City. Which start time final, no. Hull City for taking an early 2-0 lead against Arsenal until Arsenal turned the game around. So his FA Cup journey, second one, came at a place where he played for them as a player, coached them, and also played in the final of the FA Cup with them. And then there's also championship. You know, Hull City are flying. Yes, it's a championship side. So the backstory was nice, and that's what I was telling you before the game. No, see, Nabusha forward landing are coming to watch the game at Hull because it's a place where he started. Now the analysis is here the only Chelsea for, and then he are getting a good time. So this is young Liam as young Hull City manager. Those days at the club. So I the story of Nhyira almost hacking if Hull City.
I will show you so.
Hi.
Samu.
The club owner said no Bob sa pep motiki takabo efedo do on pesa I don't pamon. In fact, on one point in as Chelsea manager, the club owner has come and has still asserted that same thing. Saying the into or no pamon no was that na Liam Rossinia am more pragmatic. I told you so more long maybe. Rossinia said there be am born paper and we till pamon the free water.
Maybe an result number. Because a boy if baby near an result.
Exactly. It's the at the end of the day, it comes down to that.
Come here, sure, say no, but NF.
Yeah.
And a normal result.
Yeah.
Go in some pam.
Yeah. Now, someone is saying Liam Rossinia, actually, Enzo Maresca or the Hull City share. No. Maresca or Leicester City.
Leicester, no.
Or the nation. Now, no. Me imagination no dia Liam Rossinia Yefian Ojina only Liam Delap. No Mukako say Enzo Maresca Juma. Rich, Chelsea went into the game in a bid to win. Of course, after dropping points against Leeds United. You want to see me and Pesemeka. You know, I fell in love with Enzo Maresca Juma because of the work that he did. I've constantly said that sad time when Juma Enzo Maresca Bebe or Chelsea, you know, he exceeded expectation. Qualifying to the Champions League, winning the Club World Cup, winning the Conference League. After all the uncertainties of the club, no, for me that was huge. Which, since Liam Rossinia came in, remember the catcher will say, I want to hope and then wait till I get things that convince me about Liam. But the very first thing I may pick on Liam was the intellect and psychological strength to keep as a person. And I told you that ABF to Nkofobino, Liam is talking too much. And they'll see it as, oh, Casado. But for me, it is going to be his biggest asset. Because every day when I think of Unai Emery at Arsenal, I think of the fact that he's a native Spanish speaker from Andalusia. And almost Casado, the way will take Mabutuno. One should hear Crampo, it's about time. How to express yourself, journalists take it out of context. So getting somebody in the dugout at Chelsea who knows what to say, when to say, and how to say is very, very important. That was the very first thing. Now I saw about Liam Delap. That made a lot of sense to me. Then when Liam began to go on, and I'm saying no. Graham Potter, Kraba, and the first 9 games, not beating on Chelsea. To basketball. ABI is another one of those early ban or try so share na feed we all say hey Liam is good then after I sink baby it's the end to your boss.
But for me manager bounce.
Yes. But for me Mr. Rich the me catch you say manager you clear in his mind in his thoughts no. For me that is about 40% of the job done. And you auntie say just say nana say what do you want and you go after it. Rich, when he came to Chelsea, I think one of the biggest problems was the psychological setback at Chelsea and how to deal with tough times. And Uti in the pre-match press conference, he has said it well. Rich, and no, you game me. One of the first thing I learned from the game. One, I think said Liam, the confidence no one. It makes him a very secured person. It's all confidence. It's ordinary and it's secured. Now that security translates into he trusting certain players in the team. The result in America. The first example, Andre Santos of Chelsea number 6 and now. Rich, Andre was an Enzo Maresca, but Enzo, pure disciplinarian. He is Italian. He is a straight positional play manager. And maybe because he is not a native English, maybe because certain things makes him unsure of people, into untrusting crank. So you realize that during the time of Enzo Maresca, now Andre Santos said Bobby Becker said, okay, Liam knew Andre Santos at Strasbourg. So, let's put him aside. Mm-hmm. You've seen Jaro Hato. Yeah. All games at Jaro Hato. Yeah. And every Chelsea player we also Jaro Hato in the last few games will tell you that because of the game consistency, the improvement is coming. Obo, on finance and change.
Is it not because of the rotational system? There were a few players no. Mm-hmm. And they say I also physical conjunction now out of hand.
Okay.
It is an Momo.
Okay. The players are still there. Benoit Belachili is fit.
Oh no,
so again, so all the Benoit Belachili no bomber Chelsea consistently. Or Chelsea player for a very long time. Eba. Now the Jao Hato ya Kraba. Ideally, Enzo Maresca will go for Benoit Belachili because his experience knows his team. Because Hato knows about an young boy. But Liam is trusting them. Again, Joshua Kofi Champo. No malo gusto to bench na. Risk the start here. Oyi risk film no. One malo gusto. And again, I'm telling you that this is coming for somebody who is a big fan of Maresca's job. But their approach to the game and decision making is different from manager to manager. And it's clear in the approach of Liam Rossi as compared to Enzo Maresca.
So, in the next episode,
I'm getting there. Oh, don't worry. And then we don't have too much of the English Premier League to do, so don't worry. I'm very in tune with it.
Okay.
Rich. So, going into the game, and now, like I'm saying, he played a champion. He started with Mamadou Sarr, or centre back, and Obo Wesley Fofana. Ideally, you'd have thought that, oh, Kobe started Benoit Bediashile. Then later on, Mamadou Sarr would have come on. But he started with Mamadou to play there. Rich, what I want to say is that the confidence of Liam Rossi, and of course, the armor translating into trust for the players now, has made him feel like, Rich, now the players can play. And that is why since he came, one of the most important players in the team has been Abrantia friend Andre Santos. Rich, maybe for a lot of people who have not watched Chelsea games, they will not understand. But now, Maresca, you will be a person or manipulating Fifi with a wide area. So constantly the ball should go wide, Rich, and then come to the central area. But for Abrante friend Liam Rosinia, he is trusting Andre Santos to be the progressor of the ball with the short passes centrally. And then it was clear. The rotations, even with the same thing about this trusting, you can tell it from how one of the players no freedom to play in that structure. It is fluid. You're more in the structure. However, you have to trust each other to work for each other. And then now, Andre Santos was brilliant. The boy is slowly growing to be a very, very important player for Chelsea Football Club. And what he
clearly so Utechi now hena.
Yeah.
Utu say the confident na papa. Okutaba ati say is on Sheva bi.
Yeah.
Like confident no the ball no.
Yeah. And
baby as well control so pass or be pass.
And Rich, since Liam Musinia buying, just again it's just a few matches. But against the 5-4-1s, Nana DBR, Chelsea struggled to break down.
Okay.
Against these teams, Liam is getting the job. And it was a 2-2-6. Andre Santos Caicedo started, Fofana, any Abrante Freno, Mamadou Sarr. Then, of course, had the two wingers to come inside. Into the ball, Pedro Neto as a 10, Estevan Willian on the right half space, Alejandro Garnacho on the left half space. Then had to, any Abrante Freno, Reece James kept the weight for them just to make sure Sume win it. It was a good one.
Okay.
4-0. It started with Abrante Freno and Pedro Neto with a good shot from outside of the box. And then, of course, in the second half, the goals that come in. Chelsea are managing some Meshe. Also, match. Congratulations to them. Go to the next round of the English FA Cup. 1 whole week. And Chelsea beat him arrested before the next match against Burnley and most of the matches. Now, Joseph Guardiola, Ebo, let's start out for the other match.
Oh yeah, Sadford. I was like, teaching me saying, so I'm upset.
Oh, what they hard.
Upset there. Games be saying no.
It doesn't happen to Joseph Guardiola.
Some fairy tale stories now.
It doesn't happen to Joseph Guardiola. Okay. Simple.
So far, there's a Liverpool now. Game against Brighton.
Yeah.
Premier League side.
Yeah.
Very.
But look, Liverpool beat them. Brighton, their form have not been good.
Okay.
I think that we are still going to
Arsenal Wigan.
Arsenal will do the job.
But before Beko Crown, we did. And the mobile story, meaning maybe also story now. You see, Arsenal board no. I catch Mikel Arteta as a chairman. I feel we dear. Unim na bottle league na bepamo. Because players are demanding na yato. Bibia are demanding say yam fam maun na timi ye wo dwuma as a coach. Yato di amount. So yem pen na asembia. Premier League ni there. Champions League won't win any problem. But the Premier League, because I'm sure we have result now say I be call Arteta and the boys na chance ye nyana. Eya alarm kaka.
Oh, Beji. The only time I'll change my mind to Arsenal team in G League, is if they lose the Carabao Cup final.
Okay.
So Man City is sure Carabao Cup final now. Psychologically, I don't think Arsenal will be able to come back from the time.
Okay.
But Carabao Cup final, that's a huge statement. And assistants now, I think Arsenal will win it. Regardless of your board. Say board need rich and definitely they want to put you on your toes. See, Emma Ojo say BBI okay.
Okay.
Ojo say BBI okay. They don't want to do that.
Right.
Which another Saturday has come. Now, important say share ball na say we did boy be this guy. Thursday we're good to go. It was a very good one for us. Now, Rich and Moko well researched across all the leagues now. And made a man, Mr. team on radio, so I wait my for pen or paper announce where this can be. First one, a BW3C14838E. Second one, a BW3C145DCF. Third one, a BW3C142269. Fourth one, a BW3C13FC5F, and the last one, a BW3C13E2FF. Which what about a bit make a screenshot or Fifi Manfred on all social media handles.
All right.
Including YouTube.
All right. Let me talk green also. But before I go, message be there.